does explain why people kept reading, because now there was a mystery. How much of the incredible Jason Arday story was actually true? And this, I think, is why comparing the coverage with normal plagiarism doesn't really work. There's something strangely fascinating about people who appear to invent extraordinary lives. Think of Belle Gibson. She became a famous wellness influencer after telling people she had brain cancer. She said she had survived it without normal cancer treatment. She gained a huge social media following. There was an app, a book, money, publicity, one small problem. She didn't have cancer at all. Then there was Anna Sorokin, otherwise known as Anna Delvey, the supposed German heiress with millions of dollars. Except she wasn't. People love these stories because they want to know. How did they do it? Why did they do it? How did nobody notice? And what else isn't true? Now, we all know that Jason fabricated his life. A lot of these claims are still unresolved, but once journalists find one questionable claim, they find another, and another, and another, and then throw in the culture war. Jason wasn't just a famous professor. He was the youngest black professor at Cambridge. His story had been celebrated as an example of overcoming racism, disability, and disadvantage. So critics of DEI looked at the scandal and said, see, Cambridge wanted this amazing diversity story so badly, nobody bothered to check it. And Arday's defenders looked at what was happening and said, see, a successful black man is being ripped apart by a racist press. And now, a strange story about one man had become a story about race and DEI and merit and Cambridge and the media. People weren't only asking, did he copy his thesis? They were also asking, was the story of Jason Arday true?